Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to share with you something that I stumbled upon when I was shopping at Ulta. I went there with the intention of exchanging just a concealer. I didn't want to buy anything. I just wanted to go in there and exchange my concealer. I'm browsing around the aisles and then I saw this, it didn't even have its own aisle. It was at the end of the aisle where I was just browsing through and I saw this brand called Nudestix. And it was advertised as easy to use makeup crayons that cover all the bases. I was really intrigued by their selection of lip colors. And they had 3 different types of lip colors. They have, let me check their website. They have the magnetic matte lip color. They have the intense matte lip and cheek pencil. They have the more shimmery kind of like glossier cream lip and cheek pencils. So the 2 colors that I picked up are Purity, and this is actually the one that I'm wearing now. It's kind of like a deeper nude with a slight berry tone. And the second one I picked up is called Fringe, and the swatch actually doesn't really match the color, because when I tried it on, it was more of like a orangey rust color. So I'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned if you'd like to try Nudestix with me. If you haven't already pressed that subscribe button, I would love it if you would join our YouTube family and also press that bell notification to keep up with videos that we post. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's unbox the 2 colors that I picked. The first one is called Purity, and one of the cons, I guess, of the packaging is the swatch or the sticker doesn't actually match the lip color. Because here it's coming off as kind of like a berry tone, but in reality it's more like a deeper nude. And the second one is called Fringe, and yeah, this one's kind of interesting too because this looks like a burgundy almost, but the actual color when it's on your lip is more like an orangey, like rust tone. So let's try Purity first. The packaging is adorable. I haven't seen packaging like this for lip color before. It comes in a tin can, and inside, okay, this one is the Intense Matte Color Lip and Cheek Pencil. Oh, nice. There's a mirror in the inside of the lid. And I think this would be really nice to reuse for maybe storage for your eyelashes, and it would be convenient to have a mirror. So I guess you can also use this for your cheeks. Not that I would, just because I think the color is a little too dark. To put your eyelashes on. That's really cool. I think that's what I'll use it for. Okay, inside has the pamphlet and the lip crayon, and then also it comes with this alternative lid with a sharpener, which is really cool because you can sharpen the pencil with a lid, so that's nice. Okay, let's open it up, give it a try. So the pencil is definitely chubby. So, hello? Hi, Mom. Mom, can I call you back because I'm recording right now? Sorry. Let me call you back in like 30 minutes. Okay, love you. Okay, bye-bye. So it's definitely a chubby pencil. So yeah, it's more like a crayon for sure. I don't think I'll need a lip liner though, so let's just give it a try. It goes on really, really smooth. Yeah, it just glides like butter. It's amazing. It definitely feels more like a lipstick than a lip liner. It's super creamy. It just glides on so smoothly. This is for sure a color that's a little bit darker than what I normally wear or what I'm used to, but I do like it. And now that I'm looking at the lipstick, it is closer to the swatch than I thought. I think when I tried it on at the store, maybe I didn't put on enough, and I thought it was more like just a darker nude. But no, it does it's kind of like a dark nude berry tone. Yeah, it's nice. So it's been about a minute, and I do feel that the lipstick is starting to mattify, but yet it's not drying and it's still really comfortable. I feel like it's like when I rub my lips together, I still feel moisture, and I usually have very, very dry lips. I don't see any feathering. Let's see if it'll transfer. Wow, it's just very minimal. I mean, this is a white napkin and you do see a little bit of color, but wow, it hardly transferred. So this is what it looks like up close. And you can see it's very creamy and it feels very smooth. It's really comfortable to wear. Because of my dry lips, I usually have like flaking here, but not with this lipstick. I'm really, really impressed with it. I love it a lot, actually. And I think I'm gonna go back and get some more colors. But this one is the color Purity. Okay, so let's try the second color, Fringe. Okay, let's try the second color. Wow, this one goes on really smoothly as well. I'm barely touching the pencil to my lips, and the color payoff is fantastic. I feel like this one has the exact same consistency as the other one. It's really creamy and it's really smooth. Wow, it kind of has like a heat sensation when you first apply it. It feels a little bit odd. I'm not sure if it's just because I removed the first lipstick with a napkin and maybe my lips are a little bit chapped. But no, I think I got the same sensation when I applied the first one. It's not painful and it doesn't hurt, but it feels a little bit like warm and like tingly. Now that it's been on for a little while, I don't feel it anymore. It's just during that initial application. So, but despite that, I still feel like this lipstick is amazing. I absolutely love it. It looks so smooth. It makes my lips look really like youthful. And I don't know if it's just me, but it actually looks more plump, as if I got like injections or something. I didn't overline, and you don't, as you can see, there's no feathering. You don't even have it to overline, but it definitely kind of gives you that plumping effect. So I've had the lipstick on for about 3 hours, and I even ate dinner, and it was like a baked chicken, which was actually quite greasy. But despite the fact that I ate, I feel like the lipstick hardly budged. When you see, it kind of transfers a little bit, but not very much. And at this point, it's really, really mattified. But I don't feel that it's dry. The funny thing is the consistency when I first applied it and how it feels now is almost the same. It's just, it feels really light, almost like you're not wearing anything. I usually wear MAC's lip liner, and that even, I go through maybe like one pencil every 3 or 4 months. But with this one, I just barely glided it on my lips, and I didn't apply very much product. So I really think that this pen will last a very long time. So This is amazing. So there's so many pros, but I can't even think of any cons. I highly recommend this pencil, and I'm definitely going to buy more. Thank you for watching our video, and remember, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!